Mede in summer ekoso Ghana memu na ebre.
Oh man, Kweku, my brother. You know Kweku's what swag naturally, right? So anybody who's a Kweku out there, shout out to you. I mean, Wednesday is obviously the best day to be born, but I'm not going to get into all of that. I am happy you guys are here, and I am happy you guys join us every single day on MX24 TV when it comes to the content we're putting out, you know, from the conversations we're having to the events, you know, we're being a part of. And I'm going to get to that as the show goes on, because this Friday we're going to be somewhere very, very special with some amazing artists. The artwork is going to be out very, very soon, but I'm going to give you an exclusive here. Please send us messages, be a part of us. MX24 TV, hashtags MXLIVE. Send us messages. I always say questions, suggestions, ideas, anything you want to add to the show. We're absolutely open to listen to you, because this show is nothing without you guys. We're going to go for a quick commercial break. I have my first guest. We'll be right back. Bro, I didn't get to hug a home feel like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna start the conversation. Kweku, how you doing?
I'm good, yourself.
How was that experience in that video?
It was very nice.
I'm not surprised.
You're not surprised,
You enjoy
man.
yourself.
Come on.
I'm not surprised. Bro, I think we spoke what, like a year?
Yeah.
Or a year and a few months ago?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh man, doesn't even feel
It's
like
been a long
it.
time.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
How long have you been doing this professionally for? Let's get some context today.
For music, right?
Yes.
It's been like 4 years now.
4 years?
I think 4 or 5 years, yeah.
Again, does it feel like 4 or 5 years? Because music, 5 years can feel very short.
Yes, you know, honestly, I thought about this just not so long ago.
Okay.
I was like, so I really come like this industry inside for like the past 4 years or something.
Yeah.
For me, it'd be like, I come like last 2 years or something.
Yeah,
I don't know.
like
so
that,
I calculate time now, I see like, oh, Charlie, there, maybe I'm watching.
Yeah.
Yeah. But 4 years, I know chill.
No. That's
really
music though. 4 years?
You know
Nah.
really check.
4 years,
really
you're
check.
fresh.
Yeah.
How's the 4 years been? How would you like
So far, so good.
summarize it up?
Yeah, so far, so good. I mean, there's been ups and downs and all that, but then, yeah.
More ups than downs, I'm hoping.
Yes.
More ups than downs.
Let's say last year it was so slow for me last year, but then this year, so good.
What's your definition of slow? And the reason why I'm asking that is, you released 3 songs last year.
Yeah.
You released 3 songs this year.
Yeah.
A lot of people say that's very consistent. Like he's releasing
Yes.
music.
Yes. Talking about last year, yes, we dropped 3 songs, but then the songs were like, we just dropped the song and we relaxed.
Okay.
No promotion, nothing and all that, you understand?
Okay.
So, talking about slow, that is what I mean by slow,
Okay,
you understand?
okay,
But
okay.
this year, you see all the songs that we've been able to drop, we've had time for promotion and
Okay.
all that, moving here and there, shooting music videos. All the songs I dropped last year, there was nothing like a music video to them.
Okay.
Yeah, but this year we've done all these things.
Are you on a record label?
Last year, no, but this year, yeah.
Okay, so last year you weren't on a record label.
Yeah.
This year you are on a record label.
Yeah.
Oh, the reason why I'm asking that is, you know, fans are going to be fans. And I was telling you this,
Yes,
right?
it's true.
They always want to see you doing something. They always want to see you up to something. So
true.
for an experience like that last year, how did you answer to your fans who was like, Kweku, Charlie, what's up? We want music, but you are dropping the
Yeah,
music.
it's true, but you see, sometimes you own all the explanations to yourself. You understand? You drop something on the media. These people will come at you. This song here, be hard. Charlie, promote their song. Why you know they promote their song?
As if like
But,
you don't...
like Charlie, people go to the extent like, Charlie, if you put this person for the song top and I'm say, hey, you people, relax, you don't be easy like that too.
Yeah.
The people where them go mention my names.
Right,
Hey.
right. But the thing is, that comes because of who you are as Kweku Darlington,
understand.
right?
I know
they don't
this.
do that to every single artist.
Yes.
Looking at the success with your
Yes.
previous music, some of your features,
true.
some of your videos.
true.
So that just
You
comes
see,
with the success.
And these people talk about these things because they like my music and all that, and they are in support of anything that I do. So yes, there's no harm in that.
Yeah, there is no harm. It's good that you understand that.
Yeah, sure,
you know,
sure,
it helps
sure,
in how you move and all this. So we're going to get to the record labels and stuff soon.
Yeah.
But the thing is, the first song we played is a song you released. Was that this year?
Yeah, this year. I think 3 months ago.
3 months ago.
The title of the song is This Ain't Funny.
This ain't funny. I was getting a lot of stuff in you speaking to truth in terms of culture and who we are as a people.
True.
First of all, why that topic at this time?
Good. So good one. So we live in a country that we patronize most of our things from the outside what do you call it,
Yeah.
diaspora and all that.
Yeah.
That we think these things that we purchase from these people are the most original ones. That our what do you call it, things that we produce here in Ghana, we think they are not original. You understand? Imagine me buying in what do you call it, a Gucci shirt, and buying what do you call it, a shirt made by a Ghanaian here.
Yes.
People are much interested in the branded one. Like they think these are the what do you call it, the good ones.
Yeah.
Oh, Gucci, they say correct, say Papa.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
Then the local ones, they think, oh, we they send Papa. Kantanka is here making cars for us. But how many people are purchasing them?
Okay.
We are still much interested in, hey, come on, you understand?
Yeah.
We think it's made by a Ghanaian, a black man. Until you can't cry, you're not even safe.
Okay.
But I think it's very bad.
Okay. Okay. So that was the reason for that song.
Yes. And also, mostly in our schools, you know, you go to schools and it's being written on the wall. Do not speak Twi. Twi is prohibited. Speak English and all that. Come on, I'm in Ghana. Do you think you go to China and these Chinese people...
So it's like our language is vernacular.
How? How is this possible?
But vernacular is not Twi. Vernacular is like a language that's not yours that you speak. So it's like it's been flipped around.
Come on.
Okay, yeah, I get that.
You understand?
I get that.
Do you go to China?
Like you get punished for speaking Twi.
During my time, I was being like, when you speak Twi, you pay some certain amount of money because, come on, I'm speaking my own language. You understand?
Wow.
When you go to China, do you hear these Chinese people
That's
lecturing
interesting,
their
you know?
students with another language or something like that? That's false.
So,
but
okay.
The other day, somebody also said, yes, it's because you were colonized by, what do you call it, an English country. That's the reason why. But hey, come on. You've had so many people that has been colonized by other countries. But when you go to these people, their countries,
So do you
they
think
still value their local
do you think
languages.
the answer is to find a balance, right? Because as you're saying, somebody would want to still buy a G-Wagon, somebody might want to buy Kantanka, right?
There's no problem with that one. But we should know our own two ways. What do you call it?
Okay, so that's what you were preaching in this song.
Nobody is saying English is bad.
Okay.
Come on,
because bro, somebody watching this video say, but he was wearing a suit. A suit is the white man.
So this with the suit this thing, I was trying to tell people that I'm also part of the problem.
Okay,
you understand?
Get that. But
we are all part of the problem.
That's a good way to talk about the problem, if there is a problem, right?
Yes.
Now you're saying you're addressing an issue, and what you are saying, and I think is very interesting, is I've been a part of this, but what is the answer? What's the solution?
You understand?
Okay.
Yes. I'm not trying to what you call hypocrite.
Because you wear foreign stuff.
I'm in jeans right now.
Well, he's got gold hair and stuff, right?
So I'm also part of the problem.
Okay, but do you patronize?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay.
I do, Papa.
You get African stuff. You have African clothing. You wear your
this
kente.
was made by an African.
Okay.
So at least I have one thing on me that is made by an African, and
okay,
that's it.
So you're not necessarily saying foreign things are not good.
But then we should value our own, what do you call it, product too.
Okay.
Yes.
And that's why you put out this song. How
it.
was the response, not necessarily to the song and the fact that it's a vibe, but to the message in the song?
It.
Did you get any backlash?
Oh, come on. A lot of people, let's say like 80% of the people were in support of.
Okay, that's good.
This whole project. I had a lot of big people in the ministries and all that.
Oh, for real?
Showing concern about this whole agenda. Yes, and it makes a lot of sense, you understand? Because after releasing the song, I was moving into schools and I was still seeing speak English. I'm like, Charlie.
Yeah.
And people were being beaten.
The language one is very interesting
very
for me.
important.
Yeah, it's something,
Yes.
yeah.
I went to a local home and then a child, the mother asked him, how are you? He couldn't answer. But when she asked, it's saying, the boy said, the mother was furious and decided not to let her child play with the other children.
Oh.
You understand? In the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Because she thinks the other children are spoiling her child with Chi.
Oh. I get that.
You understand?
I think, again, what you're saying is very true. It shouldn't be so. Because, I've said culture is the language, is the food, is the music, is the attire. Maybe there should be a balance. Because, again, learning other languages, there's nothing wrong with it. But
Just
to punish for speaking or being punished for speaking your own language,
that's the problem.
That doesn't really make sense.
That's the problem.
Right?
That's the problem. Yes.
That's an interesting...
You understand? Sarkodie won, what do you call it, BET International Flow. And when they were doing the cypher, he was rapping in Chi. Come and see Ghanaians. Why? You've had this opportunity, rap in English for people to understand. What? Come on.
How did you feel when you saw that?
See, the only problem I had with Ghanaians was the people that Sa Kodie was having this competition with them. They were all rapping in their local languages. The other guy, what do you, is it Kalash or something?
Calligraph.
No, not Calligraph. Kalash.
Okay, there was another guy, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Kalash he was also rapping in his own language.
Wait, in other countries, this makes me ask myself, in other countries, do they see it so? You know, if you speak your local language, is it as much of a problem?
I know Lionel Messi understands English so well, but when he's being interviewed, he will still speak in his own language for people to.
But in other African countries, you also think it's a problem where you have to speak English. You have to speak English.
I think we've made that. Yes, nobody's saying English is bad.
Yes, nobody's saying English, but if you're punished for speaking your own language,
come on, I don't think.
Oh man, that's interesting.
You understand? I don't think people like when you go to Nigeria, they will beat their children for speaking what they call Igbo or any other local language.
Okay.
That is so bad.
Was it like seeing this over and over that made you want to tackle this topic? Or was it a particular experience that made you want to talk about this?
Ghanaians, what a problem, you know, go finish now. But if I say I won't do like this thing episode.
You have things to talk about every day. That's what you're saying.
A lot. I was playing this to Ochame, and Ochame Kwame was like, "There's still more to talk about."
Right?
You understand?
Yeah.
You know, go finish one a problem there does. So you know, go finish.
And with that, when you talk about this, and again, the response you get, because you said 80% of your people, per observation, were like, oh, keep doing your thing. Yeah. But there is that 20% that like, what's he talking about, right? He's influencing the kids badly. And that backlash can seem so loud, right? Even more than
80%, yeah,
right?
I understand.
So when you speak about things like this, and from your point of view, you are speaking to the people, you think that you're uplifting the people. Does it like make you want to detract and be like, nah, I don't want this energy. This is too much.
No. Come on. See, I've had like 80 people supporting what I do. And you see, these 20 people talking about the song negatively, these are the people trying to make the song even go, like, get more streams, you understand? The more they talk about these things negative, you know, Ghanaians are, more of these Ghanaian people are much interested in negative stuff. So when people talk negatively about these things, it even attracts more viewers, you understand?
Okay. So it's a win-win.
Come on, Charlie, me everything, I take them on a positive side.
Yeah. I think with something like this, right, you are understanding how powerful your voice is. Yeah. Because you could just make music for the clubs, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, you can make music to party, but at this stage in your career, to attack something like this, that's
I think that's what rap actually stands for. Because rap is more like a lifestyle, something like you see around that goes on in the society. You see them, you talk about them, and all that. Gone are the days that we used to rap about the things that we have, even the things that we don't have.
Yeah.
You see my Lambo and my Rolls Royce drumming in. You don't get Lambo, you don't get any Rolls Royce. These are the things we get. These are the things we see, you understand? And when you make rap songs like this, it becomes so easy to communicate even with the people, you understand? Because you are being in their shoes.
That's what I was about to ask you, though. From a business point of view, do you think twice about the things or moving forward, are you like, maybe, you know, I should go the Lambo, the Rolls Royce route? Or are you going to be chipping these things in then? Again, from a business, because some might say, you know, it's an audience. I just want to have a party and make money from
I get that. You see, surprisingly, right now, people are much interested in songs that talks for them. Okay. You understand? Okay. Look at the songs that trending right now. These are songs that talks about the things the people are ready to listen to. Gone are the days that we used to talk about things that we don't have, that people like, oh, that tag life and all that. Yes, we still have that. You know, hip-hop has that culture. Hip-hop there, you don't go if you change that culture, that side. But we still have that thing there. But then people are now concentrating on lyrics, content and all that. Okay. That's what the Ghanaian markets, I mean, people are looking out for right now.
Okay. You started off as a rapper. Is that fair to say?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You started off as a rapper. And you also sing, like you're very good at your melodies, right? But one interesting thing that a lot of people don't know about you is you're very heavy into songwriting. And again, I feel like that's why, you know, you're able to tackle a song like you did, right? About the culture, the language, just like we're speaking about. That's why you're able to tackle it that way. What do you think about songwriting, especially from our perspective?
I think it's a very important thing. People are not really paying much attention to when it comes to songwriting. You see, coming up, I didn't just wanted to be a rapper. or a singer. I wanted to be a good musician. You understand? And to be a good musician, you need to add all these things to it. Not necessarily to be a good musician, you need to be a songwriter, good songwriter or that. But you need to know, even aside songwriting, get everything on point. If you are a singer, get your styles on point. Your key, your vocal range, know your strengths and all that.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you want to be a rapper, get a particular style for yourself.
Okay.
Know your weakness and your strengths, your lines and everything. What you say? Because rap, imagine you call 10 people here to rap, and everybody they'll be rapping like the same. They get the same style.
Okay.
No difference. See, people that are, like the people that we call legends in the game when it comes to rap, all these rappers have their style.
Yeah, everybody's different.
Chiano Kwame, Flo,
Brafro, Sarkodie, Reggie.
All these people have their particular styles. When it comes to songwriting too, it's a trademark. You listen to a particular song, you can guess who wrote the song.
So are you not happy about the lyrics? Like generally? I mean, you can't refer to anybody individually.
When it comes to songwriting, it should be something that the people can relate to.
You feel like we're not getting that now.
That can make an impact in the lives of the people, you understand?
Yeah.
We have a lot of people here doing songs that it's not impactful. Let's be truthful. It's not impactful.
What's your definition of impact? Like they're not talking about real life issues? Is that what you...
When talking about impact, it should be something that someone can listen to the song and get something out of the song. Because songs are very powerful, you understand?
Yes, they are.
When people are going through pain, they listen to songs. When people are happy, they listen to songs. And what are you telling them in the song? Is it making them do things that they are not supposed to do? Because there are songs that talks about things that would be a child. You do a lot of stuff that at the end of everything, you still, like, you regret doing them.
Yeah.
So songs are very powerful. From our side, songs are very powerful.
That's why you take songwriting that seriously.
The things that we say in our music should be something that the people will listen to and go like, yes, this thing has done this thing for me, positively.
So if you were to mention just two songwriters that really, or artists in Ghana that are impactful in your life, from a positive perspective, that's why I'm using impactful, who would you mention?
Chiano Kwame and Daddy Lumba.
Wow. These are like back in the day.
You
didn't mention anybody from now.
No, not necessarily that. You see, these are the people I looked up to coming out.
Okay.
So okay. And these are people, they've been in the game for a very long time. But when their songs are being played, these songs still sound so fresh to the ears of the people. No, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Even most of the new ones, yes, they'll drop their song to make a lot of waves. People will listen to the song. But in the next 3, 4, 5 months, a year, then the song is no more. You don't hear them.
Yeah. Do you think social media has caused more of a problem?
No.
Apart from the fact that, there's reach.
Yes.
But the thing is, there's a lot of content. Everybody's releasing content.
I mean,
because, bro, I'm thinking about what you're saying, right? Songwriting. Sometimes it can take an artist 4 or 5 days to put lyrics together if they want to be as impactful as you're saying. It doesn't mean somebody cannot write a song in a day.
Yeah.
But it seems like, per the amount of content we get each day, it's not like before. So from that perspective, do you think like social media is like, you can be in your room and just release a song?
I think you see, I'm all the time interested in the positive side, not the negative side.
Okay.
Because everything that has a bad energy around it has a good energy too, you understand?
Right?
So when you have your focus on the good energy, just depend on what's giving, like the positive is giving you, you understand? So from our side, social media has been very, very good to most of the artists. Like 3 of my songs will be because of social media.
Yeah, can't deny that.
No. And talking about the songwriting, you're talking about people using like 4 or 5 days to write a song.
Yeah.
That were gone are the days. I was in the studio with one of these big people, legend. And when the beat was being played, in less than 30 minutes, I was done with the whole song. And he was like, you see, one at a time, it go take you like 1 week, write the whole song. Yeah. Not like I used 30 minutes in the song, the beat or something. The song is still rich.
It happens,
but then he was like, how you they do them?
Yeah.
How you they do them? Right now, you've moved from a generation to another generation. You've evolved. Internet is now louder. Everything has changed.
Yeah.
Pickings way them born out right now. You go fit go people in my house.
Yeah, open.
Now okra tablet, you flip and all that.
Right.
So imagine this kid growing up, no.
Yeah.
Now you know will be like unlike the olden days, no.
Yeah.
Technology wasn't that enough.
Do you write for people?
I write for people.
Wow.
Yeah.
People don't know. The fans don't know this.
I write for people.
Do you think?
I honestly don't talk about these things because I want them to be talking about it.
Okay, but they don't.
They don't. That comedy about show more.
So you're not happy about the fact that people don't give you that acknowledgement?
They have to. I think it's because most of these people I don't take anything from them. So
yeah, that's what I was about to ask you. Like
yes.
under like contract, you know, because it's a business, bro.
I understand. But then no, the business side is there. You see, you can write for somebody, you take like the cash. But when he releases the song, there's something we call, what do you call it? You do a spreadsheet.
Yes.
You take your cards.
Yes.
From the stores and all that.
Yeah.
That one is conk. It's there. But talking about yes, I'm done with the lyrics. Pay me this and take that. The stores in the end is like more like intellectual property thing they are taking from. Yes. So that's it. So I write for people, but it's good when these people talk about it than me talking about it.
Yeah, I get that. Do you feel like a lot of artists feel like it makes them less of an artist if they have somebody write for them? Because, bro, when you sat here behind the scenes, I told you Beyonce can have like 6, 3, 4 writers on a song, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
She also writes her own music.
Yeah.
But there's this perception that if somebody writes for you, that means you don't really reach. Is that why you think people are quiet about it?
This music thing, it be family to know. It be how to put this thing. It be stages. You know, be anybody will go fi write songs. People get vocals where they go fi take perform hard. More times, most of these songwriters now, the people them they write for no are much like powerful when they perform the songs than even the songwriters.
Yes.
What do you call it? We Are the World.
Yeah.
She was written by 2 people. One person, one person was supposed to be part of the group. He couldn't because it was Michael and Leonor Rich that wrote the song. That person felt like, yes, Charlie, me, I be big person. Like, we that year too, that night we them record the song. No, that night none of them do them awards. We that person win like the ultimate or like artist of the year or something. So he was Prince. I don't know if you know Prince.
Yeah, Prince, yeah.
In the days of Michael Jackson.
Yeah, one of the GOATs, man.
Yeah, Prince. So Prince was more like Charlie Media. I be big person.
Okay.
So he wasn't part of the whole project. But then, Charlie, we had people like the blind man.
His name? I know you're
Kenny
talking
Rogers,
about. Like loads of artists, right?
Come on, they were also big at that time.
Yeah.
They were open to everything. They performed. The song was, I think it's one of the biggest songs that we have in the world right now.
Maybe they just have a larger understanding.
You understand? And we should have that thing in Ghana. You see, it's not everybody that can write songs. And when you have people that you feel like this person can write a song for me, there's nothing wrong.
Has anybody ever written for you?
No.
Or not yet?
No.
But you're open to it?
I'm open.
Okay. That's interesting.
I'm open.
I really like that. I like your take on this. I like the conversation. But I just want to know, funding. How do you fund your music?
This thing, I know a lot of people are ready to listen.
Yeah.
When I was going solo, it was, kind of difficult for me, you understand? Because this money you get from shows, if you don't take care, a comedo. Yeah.
What do you mean by that? By the money is not enough?
Not necessarily
sustain?
not enough. You see, this music business, it costs a lot.
Yes.
Let's say you get show this weekend. You play, you get like 50,000 CDs. You don't know when your next show is going to come. So you can't just spend the whole 50,000 on a project. So you are more careful when it comes to spending.
Okay.
You understand? Because right now, you know, go fish shoot music video 10K, 20K. So if you have 50,000 in your account and you are shooting music video, like let's say lesser 30,000 CDs, you are left with only 20,000.
You have a manager, a road manager, a stylist.
If you are in a crowd and you have to go for a media tour in Kumasi, you book an apartment, you pay, you have a team, you eat, you buy clothes. How much do you think you can spend? Like if you are using like a week, you can spend more than that 10,000 going easy. It's kind of shit at that time.
Yeah.
So at that time it was more like economical thing.
Okay. And this was Was this at a
last
time
year.
when you had? Okay, so this wasn't when like you began the industry. This was last year.
No. That was just last
Wow.
year. Yes, but when you have a record label, when you have a team, everything is being strategic. You understand? Because yes, they will propose something to you. Okay, you want to spend like 200,000 in the next 6 months.
Okay.
The artist has a share of this. Like there's everything
Yeah,
is
it's
being
put in
strategic. You
place,
understand?
yeah.
So you have lesser problems. But then it's good when you are going solo and everything is working so perfect for you, especially when the gigs are coming here and there.
Left and right.
You understand?
Okay.
With these ones, you are only one managing your affairs. You know, yes, how to save, when to use this money or not. But when you have a label, the only disadvantage of it is a boom mouse is here now.
You have to now share because they invested in you.
That's it.
Yes,
They need to. Sometimes they need to even recoup all the money they've invested in you before.
Yeah, bro. A lot of people don't know that international artists perform on so many shows because they're paying back their money.
That's it.
They literally have to pay. It's like a loan.
Oh, a lot of Ghanaian artists
Bro,
are doing
it's
that.
crazy.
Yes.
It's crazy. International, local artists are going through this.
Yes, it's true. It's true.
Are we not signing the right contracts, do you think?
No,
Should we be smarter? Or it's just how it is?
It is what it is. You see, sometimes you are very even desperate.
Yeah.
Looking at your life now, how things are going, and these people come to you and they let you know, we can put you on these platforms. Yes, you go international, you be here, that. Charlie, you be convinced to sign.
By the end of the day, their account
And sometimes they even give you an upfront of the money they want to invest in you. They will give you some as let's say a pocket money or something like that. Yes.
And they're recording everything, bro.
That time there, you know go feel like. But when everything like boom and all that, Charlie, you start to think.
Yeah.
I know people that have signed contract for like so many years, and it's kind of muchiano.
Bro, I'm very happy, you know, you're talking about this the way you're talking about it because I spoke to Sina like a week or two ago. She had very similar sentiments, right? In terms of how...
Oh, she's not into any management, right?
No. You know, she's managing her affairs. And she was talking about, you know, the difficulties of being an independent artist. The fact that she would love to release more, but she hopes the fans understand why we don't get music as much. So I just want to say I'm very grateful to you guys, right? Yeah. It's not easy talking about these things openly because the fans see you a certain way. Oh, it's Kweku Darlington. That means everything is streamlined.
Right now, I don't get to hear about so many of these artists because of these...
Yes, these little struggles, right? Thank you very much for talking about this. But the good thing in all of this is you're still releasing music.
Charlie, I still do on my grind.
What's the name of your record label?
Shark Music.
Shark Music. Shout out to them, man.
Yeah.
Shout out to them.
It be scary, the name.
I guess.
Big Shark Music. Yeah.
I like sharks, but you know, scary stuff. And you've got new music, which we're going to talk about today. Please tell me about the song.
Okay, so the title of the song is Grateful to Your Ex. Yeah.
Grateful to your ex?
Yeah, to your ex.
Bro, I don't like that title. I like you, my brother. I like your music, but how are you going to be grateful to your ex?
I know a lot of people were confused. When I dropped the artwork and the title was Grateful to Her, people were like, hey, how can you be grateful to your ex?
Oh, I'm getting it. This is what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
As she bounce me, be like, now things they move for me. So that boy I go see.
That be your perspective, but not necessarily that you understand. But Ridey, I sure say Jason, somebody left you where you go get somebody.
As they left me. Or as they left me, they are day street. Bro, I can't do this twice, man.
So it be like somebody, okay, let's say somebody left you, you go get another person. You back. Where the new person, she be very good to you.
Okay.
Right now, you know, be grateful to that your person who left you, know, but you be grateful to the new person you get, you know, in X. Say if you know left farmer, you know go get.
Oh, so that's the perspective you're looking at. Bro, that's tight.
Now you love him.
That's tight. I love him. That's tight. Okay. So it isn't necessarily about you, but you know, you're saying that thank you to your ex for leaving you for me.
That's it.
Is this a true story?
No. Oh, Charlie, you know, say, Charlie. See, make I tell you one thing. You know, say, I be the only artist. I be the only virgin artist left for Africa.
Virgin artist?
Oh, no artist there for Africa where.
Yeah, what are you talking about by virgin artist? What are you talking about?
Like, I be the only artist way there for Africa where I still be virgin. I still keep my virginity. I don't touch woman before. This now they say, I know people, a lot of people. You know,
this is going to become a meme, you know that, right? Like this is going to go everywhere.
Are they ready for her? Oh, but it be true.
Okay.
You go feed business.
I mean, I don't know. Like,
yes, you go feed business, my mom.
For real?
Yes.
What's your mommy's name? I'd love to reach out to her. Hello, mommy. I'll go ask her.
Yeah,
okay.
you go be busy. Oh, but I'll be virgin. I'll be virgin. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. As far as I know you, or as long as I've known you, you're not a liar.
I don't. Come on.
I've not known Kweku to lie.
Charlie,
and I defended
I mean,
Kweku's at the beginning of this show.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We're going to have to find a way to clarify this. Your exes might come out through the woodwork, bro. They might be like,
virgin will get exes. I don't get exes.
okay. But bro, the good thing is this song is doing well on the charts, man. That's considered number 3.
Number 3 on. I think this is Shazam, right?
Yeah, I think that's Shazam. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, it's number 4 or so on Audio Mark, number 5 on.
Wow, did you expect this?
Come on, I was expecting that.
I like that energy.
Yes, I was expecting
I like that. And the
I
video
think-
is dope.
I think we should be at number 1 by now.
Okay, hopefully the brothers are number 1. But you know, with everything that we've spoken about here, right?
Yeah.
It would be very easy for an artist to give up, but you haven't. You're still here. You're doing your thing. You're pushing through, despite all the difficulties. And you know, I'm just happy for your journey so far.
Thank you so much.
And I hope we have more of these conversations, man. I hope we have
That's
more.
it. That's
And so we have the new music video.
That's it. Yeah, we have the video.
Yeah, we're about to play. Is there anything you want to tell your fans before you leave us? Anything at all?
See, I thank these people so much. I'm so grateful to everything they've been doing for me. You see, my fans are very powerful today. Charlie, any song we are drop, them now go for me the song number 1. Right now, they tell you, they come drop another song. Me then you day here. You they go bet. Then go make the song number 1. You day here.
What we betting, man? I mean, why would I bet against you going number 1? That's not a bet I would make, bro. Come on.
You my brother.
Bro, thank you so much for coming through.
Thanks
Guys,
for having
please
me
find
too.
the music. Please buy it. Please Shazam it. Support it as best you can.
Yeah.
This is one of our own. This is Grateful to my ex.
To your ex, yeah.
Your ex? My ex? Who's ex?